What's the meaning of amaze? Amaze. 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 Amaze.
The word amaze refers to the feeling of being astonished or greatly surprised by something. When someone is amazed, they are left in awe or wonderment at what they have just experienced or witnessed. This feeling can be caused by anything from a stunning performance to a miraculous event. Amazement often leaves people speechless and unable to fully comprehend what they have just seen or heard. Overall, the sensation of amazement is one of intense and overpowering emotion that can be truly unforgettable.